Well, hi everybody. Good morning to meteorologist Travis Klineski here on this Tuesday morning, coming off of a nasty night of storms, severe weather. For some of you, some really beneficial rainfall. Others didn't get quite as much out there. Hopefully more on the way, and hopefully it's for those that didn't get much rain. We could see some solid rains out of this with slow-moving storms later today and into this evening. We still have some ongoing activity this morning, so it's not completely dry. Most of the activity is right in here, and then there's actually an area of showers and storms right here this morning as well, not showing up on Futurecast. But again, as we go through the day today, some hit or miss showers and thunderstorms, and then maybe becoming a little more organized late in the afternoon and into this evening. Severe weather is going to be a possibility once again, despite the fact that we are on the north side of a cold front now, well to our south. There's still enough instability out there. I don't think the threat is as high as yesterday, but there still is that chance, mostly for damaging wind gusts this evening. Once we get past midnight, the threat should be down. Maybe still some lingering showers and weaker thunderstorms tomorrow morning, mainly over eastern Nebraska. Western areas will see some clearing early on Wednesday morning. But severe weather-wise, the Storm Prediction Center has a slight risk of severe weather over southern and southwestern areas, and then the rest of us under a marginal risk. So anybody has a chance of severe weather, but the higher chances are south. A much bigger threat down into Kansas, as there is an enhanced risk and even a moderate risk off of our map here down to the south. Basically, they can see some big-time wind gusts and big-time hail. And again, we're on the edge of that. We're mostly looking at the chance of a little bit of hail today, 1 inch or larger hail, and severe wind gusts, possibly 60 miles per hour or higher in spots. And again, not a zero threat farther north, but the threat does get a little higher farther south and southwest. Tornado threat looks pretty slim, mainly confined to far southern portions of our area today. Well, highs today. Enjoy the coolness we get today thanks to the clouds around. This is as cool as it's going to be until next week. 70s and lower 80s for today. Tonight down into the 50s and 60s. Tomorrow we're starting to warm up as some sun returns back to the low and mid 80s, maybe a few upper 70s out there. Tomorrow night, milder upper 50s, low to mid 60s, and then we're starting to heat it up on Thursday. Back up into the 90s. The heat builds in. It's going to be quite breezy out there. A very warm night. Thursday night and a Friday morning in the upper 60s and low to mid 70s, and then Friday, hot, hot, hot. Mid to upper 90s, low to mid 100s, extreme heat, especially in southwest Nebraska. A weather alert day, I put one out for Friday. I've also put one out for Saturdays. It could be another day of hot temperatures out there. Those 2 days will be the hottest days ahead of us before temperatures start to come down a little Sunday, but more so into next week. So again, scattered showers and thunderstorms off and on today. It's not going to rain the entire time. Best chance of severe weather will come towards the evening hours in the Tri-Cities area, and then a lower chance tomorrow morning, down to a 20% chance during the day tomorrow. A little warmer tomorrow thanks to a little more sun. Then we're heating it up for Thursday, high temperatures Friday and Saturday. We're going with weather alert days. Now I know officially summer kicks off late Friday evening in the 9 o'clock hour, but we're barely in summer on Friday, so I'm putting the first day of full day of summer as Saturday there, even though technically summer starts late Friday evening. Sunday still very, very warm out there, up into the mid 90s, and then we cool down on Monday with scattered showers and thunderstorms returning to the forecast. Those temperatures will come down a little bit next week for a while here, a little bit below average, in fact, by around Tuesday, Wednesday there. So we'll enjoy the little bit of cool down that comes after the high temperatures ahead. Looking at the North Platte forecast, not a lot of major differences between the Tri-Cities and North Platte. A lot of heat ahead of us here this weekend. We've gone with weather alert days for Friday and Saturday. Temperatures come down a little bit Sunday, more so Monday with scattered showers and thunderstorms returning. And then as we get into next week, we'll keep those temperatures a little bit on the cooler side. And of course, I do have to mention North Platte. Tomorrow kicks off Nebraska Land Days in North Platte. We've got plenty of heat to come these coming days ahead of us. So if you're going to be out there, take breaks and get in some cool air when you can, and plenty of the good fluids for you, not just the alcohol. A good water is good for you to have, or a sports drink or something like that. Well, that's all I have for you for today, as I'm out of time here. So I want to thank you all for watching on this Tuesday morning. I'll be back with you on Wednesday morning with all of the latest. Until then, take care and God bless. Bye.